Have you ever started a woodworking project and found yourself battling uneven edges or inconsistent cuts? It's frustrating, isn't it? Those small errors can feel like roadblocks to your creativity. That's where a router table comes in. This simple tool can be your game changer. In this video, I'll explain what a router table is, why it's essential for woodworkers, and how it can transform your projects, even if you're just starting out. What is a router table? Let's start with the basics. A router table is essentially a flat platform with a router mounted upside down underneath it. This setup changes everything. Instead of maneuvering a router over the wood, you move the wood across the bit. This gives you unparalleled control and precision, making tasks like shaping edges, cutting grooves, or crafting decorative profiles not just possible, but consistent. Why does this matter? In woodworking, precision is the difference between frustration and fulfillment. With a router table, even intricate tasks like joinery or detailed designs become approachable. It's not just about building, it's about crafting with confidence. Key features of a router table. So, what makes a router table so effective? First, it's flat. Stable surface provides the foundation for accurate cuts. Stability equals precision, plain and simple. Then, there's the adjustable fence, your guide for straight and repeatable cuts. Advanced fences even include T-slots for accessories like featherboards, which add another layer of control. And don't overlook dust collection. It's more than just keeping things tidy. A clean workspace lets you focus, improves safety, and protects your lungs from harmful particles. Finally, the router table's versatility is unmatched. With the right bits, you can handle anything from simple grooves to intricate moldings. It's like having a workshop's worth of tools in one setup. Types of router tables. Router tables come in different styles to suit your space and needs. If you're tight on room or just getting started, a benchtop router table is a fantastic choice. Compact, portable, and beginner-friendly. For more seasoned woodworkers, a floor-standing router table offers greater stability and a larger work surface, perfect for heavy-duty projects. And if you want to maximize efficiency, an extension table that attaches to your table saw combines functionality without taking up additional space. How to use a router table. Setting up a router table is straightforward. Secure your router under the table, ensuring the bit is properly centered and adjusted to the desired height. Align the fence carefully. It's critical for accurate cuts. Then, test on scrap wood to ensure everything's perfect before starting your project. When using a router table, always feed the wood against the bit's rotation. This keeps your cuts clean and prevents sudden jerks. For repetitive cuts or intricate designs, jigs and guides can simplify the process and elevate your results. Benefits for beginners. For a beginner, a router table is like an extra set of steady hands, letting you focus on creativity and precision. You'll achieve professional quality edges, grooves, and joints with ease. Plus, it's safer than handheld routing because both hands are free to guide the wood. Repetitive tasks, like creating matching joints or identical profiles, become effortless. No more guesswork, no inconsistencies, just reliable results every time. It's a tool that transforms frustration into satisfaction. A router table isn't just a tool. It's the key to woodworking with precision, confidence, and creativity. Whether you're crafting intricate edges, cutting grooves, or diving into joinery, this tool simplifies the process and delivers professional results.